It's much nicer than corded. I hate dragging cords around. You know, it's just so much nicer to have something, grab the trigger and go.
I like the fact that I was surprised by the power, that even though it didn't have a cord, that it was able to use the same amount of power with the battery. It was like quite convenient not having a cord to deal with, especially dealing on a safety ladder.
The vibration was good. I mean, like I said, I fired up, I drilled 33 holes, and usually your hand is ringing. I wasn't having that issue at all.
I didn't feel any vibration in my hand. It was actually quite comfortable. You know, I didn't have that sensation that you hear when you've been chipping all day. It wasn't there.
If it hadn't had the E-clutch, it would have spun around and hit me in the knee. Actually surprised me. I didn't know about that particular feature, and I was like, wow, this is nice. I love DEWALT. I think they're great tools.
So when I see a DEWALT brand, I know I'm getting quality, so I usually do use a DEWALT brand. Big fan of it.